Welcome everyone in today's video of Quick Guide.
This video, I'm going to show you how you can log in as an employee in the Northwell website. For this, search for Northwell employee login in the Google. Here you can see 4 employees in the search result. Click on this link and you will be directed to the official page of Northwell website. Let's check it out. There is any hint for the employees or not. Scroll down. Just let me check it out. And there is 4 employees button. Click on it. Here you can see useful links. Click on Northwell Connect, it's for employees. And you'll be redirected to the login page. Here you can see sign in option. There is a text box where example is given in the background. If you forget the password, you can click here and also sign in with different options. That is from security key or fingerprint pins. You can also sign in with GitHub. Let me show you how you can sign in with GitHub. Click on it. There is a form where you have to fill your own GitHub username or email address and then password. If you forget the GitHub password, you can click on the forget password also. After all the credentials are correct, click on sign in and you'll be logged in as employee. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.